Hi, Stephen here from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators, and you're watching Inexteriors TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix a two-part filler. This is a Ronseal two-part filler, and I consider this to be the best out there. And the reason why I think it's the best out there is because it sands down reasonably easy, where a lot of the others sand down a bit too hard and you can't feather out the edges. So with that said, guys, let's do this. I'm using this Ronseal two-part filler to fill this letterbox that I filled in with wood, and I just want to fill the edges. So what they say on the tin is to mix it with a golf ball size of the filler and a pea size of the hardener. Or if you don't want as much, just use half the mixture. I'm using my cork board to mix it on and my filling knife to mix it with. If you want to know the difference between a filling knife and a scraper, please click in the card in the top right hand corner of the screen. When you're mixing it together, it's always a good idea to mix it near the item that you're going to fill with, because this stuff goes off really quick, so you want as much time as possible to work with it. If you would like to purchase this Ronseal wood filler, please click in the link in the description below. When you're filling it, try and fill it as cleanly as possible, because that just makes it a lot easier to sand when it's dry. And you can probably sand this stuff after about 30 minutes, depending on the temperature and how thick you've applied it. If you would like to purchase this Ronseal wood filler, please click in the link in the description below. And that, guys, is how you mix two-part filler. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please leave a comment down below, and please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos. Take care, and thank you very much.